Welcome back, grade 5, to video lesson 5 of mathematics. Okay, unit 2, multiplication of fractions. We're nearly at the end of this unit in our green book, aren't we? We can see light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, let's progress through some word problems together today. And I would really like students to press the pause button more often today so you can try and answer by yourself. Okay? Let's have a look today then. So this is your first job. We have our Wordles, answer number 5, and bonus bonanza, answer number 5. And very well done to students who have been emailing me your bonus quizzes and your Wordles answers, okay? You've done an excellent job so far, so well done to those students, okay? All right, let's move on then. It's time for Wordle or rebus of the day. That word rebus, this type of puzzle you can also call a rebus puzzle. Okay, I've recently learned that. Okay, and are you ready? Well, your Wordle or rebus of the day is as follows. What can we see? We can see 3 words. They say secret, secret, secret. You can see an arrow. Okay. I'm sure many of you can work it out quickly, can't you? All right, excellent. Let's move on to your bonus bonanza then, okay? I have my box next to me this time. I'll open it up, okay? And remember, use your letters and fraction strips for this, okay? Let's see, I shouldn't look. I think I was looking in the other videos last week. I'm cheating. All right, good. And I remember last week I said if I showed you the question on your camera, it would be upside down, but I don't think that is true. So let me show you the question this time too. All right, can you see that? Yeah, excellent. I'll also read it out. It says 3/5 times 17. 3/5 times 17. Okay. Excellent. Let's move on. We'll go to page 74 today, okay? And we'll work together again. Please press pause for each question and try and get the answer yourself, okay? Excellent. Let's start with do and learn on page 74. I think just one question on this page, and it reads as follows. It says, a jar has 1 5/6 liters of water. A tank has twice as much water as in the jar. How many liters of water are in the tank? Give the answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, well, let's have a look. We have the word jar, which is another name for a type of glass, okay? And then we have the word tank, which is a word for a water container, okay? And look at, we have a jar has 1 5/6 liters inside of it, doesn't it? And here's our key phrase here, guys. It says twice as much. It says a tank has twice as much water as in the jar. And I think all of you know that the word twice means the number 2, doesn't it? Okay. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to multiply the amount of water in the jar by 2. Okay, so that's 1 5/6 multiplied by 2 would give us 11/6 times 2/1, which would give us 22/6. Okay, 22 divided by 6 gives us 3, remainder 4/6. And we can simplify that further to 3 and 2/3. If we were giving a sentence answer, it would read as follows. The water tank has 3 and 2/3 liters of water inside it. Okay, excellent. I hope most of you, if not everyone, pressed pause and you got this answer by yourself. If you did, excellent job, well done. Let's move on then. Okay. Let's go to page 75, okay? And again, press that pause button. See if you can get the answers by yourself, okay? Now, this question it can appear a little bit confusing, okay, with the wording. But again, remember, we're working with multiplication for this unit, so that should be a little bit obvious. It says a basin, which is another word for a sink, has or contains 2 and 8/9 liters of water. Jane uses 1 and 2/3 of water in the basin. How many liters of water does she use? Okay, so look, we need to find out the key word, which is uses, all right? And I think we're just going to multiply these two numbers to get the answer. Okay, so that would be 2 and 8/9 multiplied by 1 and 2/3. We'll turn the mixed numbers into improper fractions. We have 26/9 times 5/3 gives us 130/27, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're going to divide 130 by 27, which gives us 4 and a remainder of 22. Okay, your full sentence answer should look like this. She, or Jane, uses 4 and 22/27 liters of water. Okay, if you got that correct, excellent job and well done. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, again, press pause, see if you can do by yourself. The question reads, Mrs. Sanjay used 4 and 2/5 meters of cloth to make a sari. She made 6 similar saris. How much cloth did she use? A sari is a beautiful type of Indian clothing. Okay, you can look that up on the internet if you need to. All right, let's have a look. What do we have here? So we have the mixed number 4 and 2/5. We have the keyword A, or letter A. So A would mean 1, wouldn't it? It's not plural. So she uses 4 and 2/5 meters to make 1 sari. That's important for this question. And then she made 6 similar saris. How much cloth did she use? So if we know that she uses 4 and 2/5 meters to make 1, how much cloth, does she use to make 6? Okay, that's how to get a grasp of this question. So now we have 4 and 2/5 multiplied by 6, don't we? Okay, let's simplify that. So we'll turn 4 and 2/5 into 22/5 multiplied by 6/1. And that gives us 132/5. Okay, so now we need to divide 132 divided by 5 gives us 26 with a remainder of 2. Okay, so our answer is 26 and 2/5. Our full sentence should read something like this. She used 26 and 2/5 meters of cloth. Okay, and again, a very big well done if you got that correct by yourself. Okay, good job. And if you did, tick it with a red pen. Okay, excellent. Let's go on to question 3 then on page 75. I'll read it out. It says, a town council found that 3/5 of the trash collected could be recycled. 415 kilograms of trash were collected in all. How many kilograms of trash could be recycled? Okay, first of all, a town council, that is an expression used in England, where I come from, and it just means the local government, the government who is responsible for collecting the trash in the city, keeping the city nice and clean, okay, responsible for water, things like that, okay? That's what a town council is, okay? So what do we have? Let's see, we have the fraction 3/5, and they said it could be recycled, correct? Okay, the total amount of trash was 415 kilograms. That's how much was collected in all. So what we're going to do, guys, is 3/5 multiplied by 415 would read as follows. 3/5 times 415/1. Okay, that would give us 1,245/5. So you need to divide that number now by 5, okay? And our answer would be a whole number, no remainder, 249. So our sentence would read as follows: 249 kilograms of the trash could be recycled. All right? Excellent. Again, if you manage to get the answer by yourself, excellent job and well done. All right? Good. Okay. I have your bonus quiz ready for you. So as always, remember to email me, write your name at the top, which class and today's date, and always reminding you, get 2 points for each question. Okay? Good. Question number 1 is a word problem. It says a 30-meter string is cut, so 1/6 can be used. How long was the piece of string that was cut? Okay. Question 2. Somrudi, I think I'm pronouncing that correct. Somrudi had 100 baht and bought some things with 1/4 of the money. How much money did Somrudi spend? Okay. And question 3. Wipapi has 6 packs of sugar, weighing 1/2 kilograms each. How many kilograms of sugar does Wipapi have? Okay. Excellent. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your answers. Okay. Classwork today, let's change it up. Let's go to your yellow book, practice book, and pages 15 and 16 are your classwork today. All right. Excellent job. Have a nice and wonderful day. Good luck with all your other subjects. I shall see you soon, students. Well done. Goodbye.